Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Pika Labs additions. What is the additions? I'm going to show you a quick demo and also I'll show you what is the pros and cons and I'll show you everything with the demonstration. Briefly, I'll tell you before going to what is the additions. Additions is something like you can give a input image or also you can give yourself input video. You upload the image, you upload the video. That's it. Process you need to go back and tracking, CG, green mat. That's how traditional manner works. But I'm not going to say this is going to replace entire that industry, etc. This is just starting. Here and type Pika Labs. You can see I click couple of other things. Better go here. Click the first one, Pika Art. So don't click anything here.
Once you click here, you will be landed onto the home page. You can see here the additions button. Yes.
So let me show you. I did before making this video, I did couple of generations last week and I'm testing more on the pros cons while making this video. So now I'll talk about get start the Pikadditions. Sample video, you have to go and start the one video. I'm going to skip this one. So once you skip the video, you can see there is a two buttons here, upload your video, upload your image, and there will be some prompt. If you really want to do something change in your prompt, you can do definitely, but for now I'm leaving as it is. I'm going here and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick something here. This is my video. You can see here, this I took a selfie video standing here. So now I'm going to upload Night King from Game of Thrones. So once you tap here, generation will start. It's gonna take a while, but definitely it will start few seconds delay. Maybe if you try, yeah, it started now. So now I'll show you this one. I tried with my kid. Really good. You can see I uploaded a Targaryen, Daenerys Targaryen image, and even I didn't notice. You can see Messende also coming. The curly hair part, and notice that there is a tracking also happening. And surprising fact, I did not write anything about this prompt. So based on the model, based on the video I uploaded, since the kid is here, automatically it's generated this toy. Maybe what I was thinking, when you write a some prompt, let me pause a bit. So when you write a prompt, it go back and it think like what kind of video you uploaded. In the video there is a kid, then so that I need to match the entire set. So maybe there is a rewriting happening behind the flow. Okay, let's come back. Video is generated here. Look at this guy. Oh my god. Yes, it's not exactly matching 100%. Still you can feel this is kind of you're placing there. Think like this you take it and you can do like you can plan very well. Like so I did like a something. This also I can show you. Yeah, that's pretty much about this one. But having said that, there is some issues. Let me show you. If you write sometimes prompt, look at this one. There is another version. But if you look in this image, if you look at this video, the Targaryen face has been changed. It's not exactly what I uploaded. Even you can notice. But costumes, everything pretty much same, but the face changed. But this part I tested with other one. which is coming pretty good. You can see here the overlap is happening, the character is going behind and it is coming front side. Yes, if you notice a bit closer, the wolf is slightly, sliding. This looks very robotic. Look this one. Here light is matching. If you notice, I think model is trying to try to match with the light. If you look at very short, the top light, it has top light and it's trying to bring the top light and try to create the shadows on the ground. I didn't like this. It's okay. It won't understand timing. By the way, so let's say you are reacting certain time and the video will come exactly fit in that particular timing. It doesn't take that way. It will straight away, it will take first 5 seconds. Try to upload something, just a 10 seconds video, and also plan it whatever you are acting or enacting or planning your entire shoot, which should be below 5 seconds. So model will understand 5 seconds and it is going to straight away and come replace. So that's about it. The cons, sometimes it's coming, and I would say it is definitely not going to replace such a CG industry or any sort, but you can use some places for sure, definitely, maybe long distance. Yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next week.